Hello, my most amazing artists. Are you ready to learn how to draw your own color monster? Here we go. So we are going to make our own color monster, and in order to do this, what you are going to need is a black marker, some crayons, and some paper. First thing we have to do is our name on the bottom. First, you are going to make part of triangle. You are going to go up and down for the ears of the color monster. Then, on the other side, you are going to make another part of triangle shape. Go up and down. Then you are going to connect the ears by making a line. Then after that, you are going to make the inside of the monster ears by going up and down and making that part of triangle again. Then you are going to come down and make another line, but then you are going to come up to make the monster fur. Then on the other side, do the same thing, come down and go up to make the monster fur. Then you want to make some more fur, so you are going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down to connect both sides. Watch again. Down and then up, down, up, down, up, down, up. These are called zigzags. Up and down, up and down. Okay, to make the rest of monster's body, then we need to make the monster's leg. And the way that we do that is we are gonna make 2 lines for the leg and 2 lines for the other leg. Then to make the foot, you are gonna make a small line going out, and then just like the zigzag we did over here, we are gonna do 3 zigzag again. Down, up, down, up, down, and then connect to finish the foot. Same thing on the other side. Ready? Go out first. 3 zigzags down, up, and down, and connect for the foot. So right now we have the monster body and the monster feet. Now we need to draw the monster arm, and it's kind of going to be just like the zigzags we made here for the monster body and the zigzags we made on the feet. We are gonna make arms, so you are gonna do 2 lines down on the one side, 2 lines down on the other side. Then zigzags 3. Ready? Down, up, connect. Down, up, connect. Okay, so we have the monster body, the monster legs and arms. The monster in this story has really silly eyebrows. In order to make these, we have to make a curve connected to another curve. So I'm gonna start at this side of the ears, and I'm gonna go down to make the curve and then back up to make the second curve. Remember, when we are doing directed drawing, it's important to watch me first, then try. So watch me, I'm gonna do that again. Curve down, curve back up. And then we want to put some hair on these eyebrows, so I'm gonna make little lines that come up that look like this. I'm gonna add lots of hair because his eyebrows are very bushy in the story. Then I'm gonna add some more on this side, little lines going up to make his bushy eyebrows. Okay. So now here comes the part that you can choose to do your own. You can make it feel happy or sad or afraid or calm or loved. So you choose what you want your monster to do. But in order to do that, we have to draw faces on this part of the monster to tell us how the monster is feeling. So I'm gonna make the happy monster's eye, and those are curved too. And then I'm gonna make a smile for the happy monster, and I think the monster needs some teeth. So let's draw those almost triangles again. And there is my happy monster. If my monster happy, what color I'm gonna color it? Do you remember from the story what color the happy monster was? It was yellow. What I'm going to do to show you that this is my happy monsters, I'm gonna write the word happy on the top. So happy spelled Happy. So there is my happy monster. If I wanted to make a sad monster, what kind of face would I have to make? I think I would have to make a frowny face. So I'm gonna make big U's for the eyes. And then I'm going to make the monster frown. That means make a sad face. And then you could draw some teeth on the monster. He is so sad, and if this monster is sad, what color would I make him? I would make him blue. So then you would take your blue and you would color your monster blue. You can color the whole thing blue. What if your monster was feeling angry? How could you make its face look angry? I think his eyes would be open and wide. So I'm gonna make 2 circles that are colored in first. I wanted to make an angry monster, then 2 circles around, and then he is so angry. So his mouth may look like this, and then he has 2 sticking out. He is an angry monster. And if he is angry, what color should I make him? I should make him red if he is feeling angry. Haze, and then you color your whole monster red. If your monster is mad, you can write the word mad at the top after you are done coloring your monster. If this is a sad monster, you can write sad at the top. Don't forget to color your whole monster blue. And this monster was the monster I'm done all with, and that monster is happy. Thank you for drawing with me. I can't wait to see what's your monster feel. Bye bye.